Namaste everyone. What you're about to hear comes from Atharva Veda, the Rog Nivaran Suktam, an ancient mantra specifically for healing, chanted for thousands of years to release the body illness and restore strength and balance. In Sanskrit, Rog means disease and Nivaran means removal. This is not superstition, it is sound therapy, where sound used as medicine. Each syllable carries a vibration believed to loosen the grip of pain, fever, and disease, while calling on the light of the sun and the living fire within the body to bring back balance. Breathe slowly. Let your body soften and start healing. Now, let the chanting begin. Om Jarayuja Prathama Usriyo Varsa Vatabraja Stanayanneti Varstya Sano Mridati Tanva Jugorujanya Ekamojastridha Vichakrame Ange ange sotish sishriyanannamasyantaastva Havisa videma Ankontamankan havisha videmayo Agrabhit parvasya gravita Munkashir saktya utakasayenam Parushparu ravivesha Yo asya Yo aprajavatta shushma Vanaspatin sakatam parvatam shca Samme parasmai gatraya Shamastu tanve e mama namaste astu vidyute namaste stanayitnave namaste astvashmane yena dudase asyasi namaste pravato napadyatastapasamuhasi mrdayanastanubhyo mayas tukebhyas krithi pravato napannama evastu tubhyam namaste hetaye tapushe cakranma vidma vedama paraman guhayat samudre antarnihitasि nabhi yantvadeva asrjanta vishvai sunkarnvana asanaya darsno sano mrda vidate grnanatasyaite namo astu devi om jarayuja prathama usriyo varsa Vatabrajasthanayanneti varstya Sano mardati tanvarjugo rujanya Yekamojastridha vichakrame Ange ange sotisha sishriyanannamasyantaastva Havisa videma Ankontamankan havisha videmayo Agrabhit parvasya grabhita Munkashir saktya utakasa enam Parushparu ravivesha Yo asya Yo aprajavatta jayascha shushma